Today, we will be testing the 3 times envelope indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the 3 times envelope indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 775 indicators, with 314 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So we'll go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 19 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at the advanced testing of the 3 times envelope indicator. And so this was one of the winning indicators way back when in the beginning of the channel. And it basically consists of a few different envelopes, a few different kind of moving average envelopes put together like this here. To go in and make a slight modification, and so what I did was just bumped up the line weight of the 2 green lines here, the upper and lower green line. So this plot and this plot, just like I said, bumped up that line weight some, so it's a little bit easier to see. The way we tested this in the original video was that we were looking for the price action break above the green line, the upper green line, or a price action break below and close below that lower line. And so price broke up above the upper band and closed above that upper band, then that was a signal to go long. If it closed or broke and closed below the lower band, that was a signal to go short. And so that's how I tested it in the advanced testing. Of course, now we did have to modify the time frame on this to the 6-hour time frame because it didn't have 10 or more trades or signals within that 1 year of testing. And I did also, of course, have to modify the take profit and stop accordingly, so cut the take profit and stop in half. All right, so like I said, the setup on this was relatively easy. We'll take a look. There's a few signals here on screen right now, and so we'll just take a look at a couple of them. So for example, right here, you can see that we get that break, that price action break to the upside of the green upper line there, and we get that close, but then we get a pullback pretty much immediately with almost no push to the upside, and so that one would have stopped us out right there. We didn't get this break and close above the upper green line right here on that one, and then we get a really nice push to the upside there, which would have come up and gotten us to our take profit. Let's see if we can scroll back a little bit here. Here is a good example of a short, and so you can see that price comes back into the envelope here and then breaks back below that lower band or that lower line and closes below it, and then we get a really nice push to the downside there, which also would have gotten us to our take profit. Looks like we got about the same thing here, or close to anyways. The price was trading within the envelope there. We get that break and then a little bit of a pullback. Looks like it stayed within our stop, then a nice push to the downside there, getting us to our take profit. So that is how we tested it on the first video. That's how I tested it on this one, again, just on a different time frame. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, the 50 trade test, and we'll pick this up on the other side to see what it was able to achieve over the advanced testing. All right, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve overall, let's go ahead and give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. The Discord server is free to join, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons, where we post some advanced information for all the patrons to be able to take advantage of. For example, our admin Jay is doing a really great job of trading the futures market. And he's putting up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, a write-up of what it is that he's looking for, where he's looking to enter trades, take profits, stop, the whole deal. A lot of great information that he's putting out here. Excuse me. And even has some information about different indicators and stuff like that that he's using. We also have another member, Sasquatch here, is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts like this on a regular basis. Basically, same thing where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes where he's looking to take a trade, his entry, his stop, his take profit, the whole deal. There's a lot of great information that they're putting out for everyone to see here. And even if you're not necessarily looking to trade price action, support and resistance, stuff like that, it's definitely a good thing to understand where these areas of support and resistance are and how to mark them up on a chart, so that way you can understand how it's going to affect whatever trading system it is that you plan on using. So again, a lot of great information here. Highly recommend that you join us and take advantage of that information they're putting out for everyone to see. All right, back to our advanced test here. So out of the 50 trades, we got 21 winners. So that puts us at 42% win rate. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. So this one is not going to hold up over the advanced testing. This one is going to drop on the losing side of the winning and losing indicators. It tried and did an okay job, but all in all, it just wasn't able to sustain kind of that long-term winning ratio. So that's it for this one. We will move on to the next video from here.